Welcome back, and if this is your first time joining, you are definitely also welcome. I'm Charlize, and today I'm going to create hairstyles with curls. I've added a video last week where I create more classic braided hairstyles if you want to go check that out, but for now, let's start with the curls. The things you'll need for this hairstyle, definitely bobby pins, a lot of bobby pins. Oopsie. Some elastics, clips, a tail comb, and a wet brush. And then, of course, hairspray. I use Locket hairspray from Medihair. And the most important part, your straightener to create curls. And if you don't have a straightener, or if you prefer using a curling iron, that's also fine. If you don't know how to create curls with a straightener, I'll try my best and show you some tricks today. Otherwise, I'm definitely making a separate video on that. So you can put on your notification bell and it will remind you every time I add a new video. So because I have really thin and also short hair, I'm not gonna create too tight curls. I'm just gonna create a nice big wavy curl just to add texture and volume to my styles that I'm going to show you. So the styles I'm creating, styles I've added on my Instagram story, and the followers help me into picking their favorite styles. I think my straightener broke. No! Oh no! Yeah. So I think my GHD that I got as a present just broke. I'm so sad about that. Anyway, I'm going to try and see what the problem is. Now I'm going to use my babyless, boboless, I don't know how you pronounce it. I pronounce it babyless because it's babyless. Anyway, I'm not a fan of this straightener. It obviously straightens your hair really well, but it doesn't curl it that well because you need to have the angle exactly the same. Yeah, you'll just see. I'm going to struggle a bit, but hopefully it will curl my hair. So sectioning your hair. I like to part my hair into sections. If this section is too thick for me, I just part it in two. So creating the curl away from my face. I'm just gonna spray this curls.
Going to struggle a bit.
Remember to always comb out your hair before you create those curls. It just makes the curl look smoother. Although my curls doesn't look smooth at all with this straightener because of the edges. Then another tip I can give you is always grab the ends of your hair so it doesn't fall out of the straightener when you create the curl. Then for the back section, I always take a really big slice of bread, I mean hair, especially when I want to create a big wavy curl, otherwise I'll definitely separate it in two pieces.
Now you can decide if you want to give yourself a middle path or a side path. I think I'm going to leave it as a middle path for now, and then later when creating the styles I'll decide on how I want my hair to look in the front. So I'm leaving out my money piece. Money, money, money. Going to put some hairspray on and leave it, and close your eyes before you spray. Here. I'm adding a lot of hairspray so that my curls can last for days because my hair is really straight. See you in 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to brush out these curls so that I can start by creating the hairstyles. So you always want to start at the ends of your hair. It's much less breakage. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull my fingers through. If you want, you can just go out with this look, obviously by creating some curls in the front as well. I will also add a clippy.
Now I'm going to create 2 Dutch braid looks, starting with parting my hair in the middle. Braid, 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 braid. Pulling only on the loops of my braid to create a big messy braid. Now for the second hairstyle, start by sectioning a piece in the middle, tying it with an elastic. And then pull and twist. Let's twist again. Then creating exactly the same as in the middle, twist again, and again. Now you can just do what I do and not what I say. That's actually how life's supposed to be. We should be a good example. and walk like a Christian should, not only talk like a Christian should. So this is the first part of this hairstyle. It's really pretty if you just want to leave it like that. Otherwise, you can make it an up style by adding this piece. You can twist again and creating a more formal look. Now you can just take this part, creating a bun, tucking the ends of the hair into that elastic, and also making sure it flows perfectly with that middle twist, securing it with bobby pins. You can also use the elastic to grip those bobby pins. Now I'm just going to create nice soft curls. Now, to make any curl look bigger and softer, you can just pull on those loops. If you're not going to pin it with a bobby pin, like I am, you can just spray it with hairspray. Then for the last soft curl, all done. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made.
Now for the last style, I'm going to create a side formal look. So I'm going to start off by braiding the front piece of my hair, creating a big braid flowing into it.
Now I'm creating a face frame with a zigzag path so that the hair would fall naturally. Taking a small section starting with a Dutch braid, I'm going to stop with my Dutch braid and secure it with an elastic, pulling on those loops to create a big braid. Now I'm just taking two sections underneath the elastic, putting it over the elastic and securing it with another elastic. And then twisting this pony and pulling on those loops and continuing and doing exactly the same. Now I'm going to create a normal French braid, but I'm not going to add hair from the sides. I'm going to stay in the middle of my head. Now I'm going to do exactly the same as I did on the other side. Now adding all 3 pieces together, creating a fish braid. Separating your hair in 2 sections, taking a small piece from the one side, putting it over and adding it to the other side. And that's how you create a fish braid. I'm just going to continue all the way to the end, then securing it with an elastic and pulling out on those loops.
That's it for this video. I hope you will try the styles, and you can tag my hair artist page if you try out this creation and you have lots of thick hair and long hair. I would love to see that. I love doing bohemian Viking type of styles. I just don't have a lot of hair to do this kind of stuff. If you would like to see more this kind of styles and not the previous styles I did, I would love to learn you also step by step how you can create this kind of styles. If you're not good with braiding, I'll also add that into a video. So let me know in the comments below. Be sure to put on the notification bell to be reminded for my next videos. And if you're not subscribed yet, I would really love if you join my channel and just following in my journey and grow and learn with me. I must say that styling my own hair is actually really difficult for me. I'm really into styling everyone else's hair, but not doing much with my hair. So this is also a learning process for me. In the future, I'm also going to use extensions, maybe doing hairstyles on other people's hair. Then maybe I can show you some tips and tricks if you are into hairstyling. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love. Bye. Yeah. Excuse